Welcome back to the W. I'm Danny Alvarez, joined here by
Aidan Hawkins.
Are you wondering how to keep yourself entertained at school and how to make back to school fun? It's a brand new school year. I'm here to share tips and tricks to help you have a fun school year now that we are back.
So although the thought of being back in school seems stressful because of classwork and homework and activities, you probably wonder how it is even possible to have fun.
But Aiden, what if I told you that there were ways to have fun in school without being bored?
Honestly, Danny, I don't believe you. School seems to be so boring. I go from one class to the next and nothing fun to do during my free time day after day.
Honestly, I can relate to that feeling. Life just feels like a cycle, but there has to be some fun somewhere inside or outside of school. Although there are some connections that our school has to have fun outside and inside of school, while solving the problem of sitting in class all day, some teachers open up with fun icebreakers, such as activities to get us moving, like lining up my birthday without talking, or sit with a friend and collaborate on a project.
Plus, learning with a friend makes everything better.
Take an elective like ASL, and art class, or even engineering. Those are the classes where you learn a new skill or make cool stuff.
That honestly sounds like a good start to having a fun school year, while still learning. Maybe school isn't that bad. I think you gave me an idea for free periods. For solving the problem of being bored during your free periods, we get the privilege of going outside or chilling in the senior lounge. You could use your free time to catch up with schoolwork, or simply relax and be on your phone until your next class, since there is a no cell phone policy in this class this year.
School is really fun if you just manage your time well, especially as a senior with things like early dismissal and leaving during their lunch and study hall after period 5.
Also, outside of academics, Westlake offers clubs and activities available to students that can keep you entertained and connected with the Wildcat community. We have clubs like Chess Club with Mr. Clark and Yearbook 2. For athletes, there are 4 to 5 sports that run during fall, winter, spring seasons, so there are plenty of options out there to keep you connected with our athletic program.
Hopefully some of our tips and tricks makes you care about going to school and making it fun while learning something and get educated and excited for the future.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this has been
Danny Alvarez,
Aidan Hawkins. Glad we could help you have a safe and fun returning school year. Back to you at the anchor desk.